देख सकते हैं कितना यूज हो गया है. सर मुझे प्लीज दूसरा दे दीजिए, मेरा खत्म हो गया है. Ladies, it's time for me to welcome one of the best cosmetics in the country. They are the ones who've gone from India to international. It's truly an honor for us to have them here with us. The world of pageant. We talk of inner beauty, we talk of nutrition, diet, but what is that first thing which attracts people? It's the way you look, it's your face, the charisma on your face. Instant makeover. In half an hour you can look completely different. You can look of an international repute. You could look like an international model. How is it possible? It's truly an honor. Please put your hands together for Mr. and Mrs. Dr. Vishesh Nayak. Well, I need to tell you, they are the founders and the brand is... How many of you want to be a star, people? Star in your own way. Star doesn't mean actor ही star होते हैं यार, हम लोग अपने अपने घर में भी star बन सकते हैं. If you want to be a star, Stars Cosmetics is the way to look perfect. So it's truly an honor to welcome Stars Cosmetics. और ये जो मैंने आपको डब्बी दिखाई थी उस पे stars लिखा था, but it's been overused. So now I'm going to just take few seconds. Today is the day when things don't go right at all. I've been in a rush, not slept at all. मैं कार में ड्राइविंग करते करते I self drive, ये I think 10 seconds लगते हैं, हाथ से ही लगा लेती हूँ and I'm all set. And आज मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है, एक लिपस्टिक पड़ी थी जिस रूम में मैं थी, क्योंकि I have nothing else besides my Stars products in this bag. And वो लिपस्टिक में ले आई because I have another bag. So all I need to say is that you can look 24/7 super gorgeous in seconds. If you want the airport look, people don't take half an hour यार, उतना टाइम नहीं होता है, 5 मिनट भी नहीं होते, 2 मिनट में लेवेटरी में people start knocking. In 1 minute, how can you really change yourself? So are you all ready to really have a makeover for yourselves with Stars Cosmetics? Yes. Okay, so we have with us Dr. Vishesh Nayak, Mrs. Nayak, and we also have legends from the industry. It's been cosmetics 5 decades. So right from Madhubala, उनका नाम Stars इसलिए है क्योंकि वो earlier सिर्फ केटर करते थे बॉलीवुड स्टार्स को, और अब हम सब बॉलीवुड स्टार्स तो बनना चाहते हैं, उनके जैसे तो जरूर बनना चाहते हैं, इफ नॉट बॉलीवुड स्टार्स. तो इसलिए Stars Cosmetics is now available to everyone. So right from Madhubala to Madhuri Dixit to Deepika Padukone, they have done makeup for all of them, and that is how they look super gorgeous. So please put our hands together for the legends with us of makeup. Jeevan Thakre है हमारे साथ, संजय जी भी हैं, संजय जी right, if I remember your name. और हमारे साथ the beautiful ladies also that I don't know your name ma'am. मीरा है. एंड मैं बताना चाहूंगी हमारे लेजेंड एक ही हैं आज तक जो ही इज अराउंड 75 और 80 इयर्स, जो है पंडरी दादा. आप किसी को भी पूछिए बॉलीवुड में सिर्फ वही मेकअप करते हैं, एंड दे आर ऑल इन द रिसर्च टीम ऑफ स्टार्स कॉस्मेटिक्स, क्योंकि हमारी जो इंडियन स्किन है उन्हें क्या सूट होता है वो इंटरनेशनल प्रोडक्ट्स कभी कभी नहीं समझ पाते, बिकॉज वी डोंट वांट टू लुक टैन मैन, वी वांट टू लुक डैम गुड एंड फेयर, वी डोंट लाइक टू लुक टैन. सो दैट्स व्हाट द इंडियन कॉस्मेटिक्स, दे केटर टू आवर स्किन, एंड ऑफ कोर्स दे आर आल्सो द ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स फॉर एन इंटरनेशनल रेप्यूट beauty pageant. So they travel across the world and do makeup for all the beautiful international models and supermodels. So we need 8 people on one table, 8 contestants on one table, and they will take you into the stars world. But because we have all the legends here, and before we start the session, क्योंकि आपके session non-stop जाएंगे और photography बहुत होगी, भाई साहब photographer को बुलाइए यहाँ सबके photos लेने के लिए टू एंड फ्रो. उससे पहले मैं प्लीज हम्बली डॉक्टर विशेष से कहूंगी कि 2 शब्द सुनाइए प्लीज फ्रॉम द लेजेंड. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, इट्स बीन मोर देन 5 decades, it's family business, and he's a doctor himself. Thank you, sir.
Especially the lovely ladies and the 2 handsome gentlemen here I can see in this room, that's Jayavant and Akhil. It's a pleasure being with you today morning here. I'm not a makeup artist, I'm just the brain behind the brand, and today what I thought is that rather making it a lecture session, which is quite boring for a subject like makeup, I thought that let me get you some about 4 or 5 of our team legends here, and we could break down into some groups of 8, something like that, I don't know based on the numbers, and they will actually do makeup on you and give you the tips, right? So I don't know whether everybody is going to be lucky to be on the chair, but certainly one or two from each group we would try to do in the time which has been allotted to us. To give a little bit of a background of the brand, as she said, Simran is my, very staunch brand ambassador also. But more than that, we've been here for 50 years. We've been serving the Bollywood for more than 38 years. As she rightly said, Pandari Zukar, he was the first brand ambassador of our brand stars. But she was very nice to him. She said that he's 75. He's not 75. He's now 89.
Yeah, I didn't want to say that 80 plus. I was scared.
He's been in Bollywood for 60 years. Just recently he's retired. But yes, we have a whole fleet and team of about 10 top makeup artists of the country, I can say. If you want me to name them, it's Ojas, Asha Hariharan, these people 5 here and many more, Vipul Bhagat, all these, Sher Bahadur Singh, these are all our team members. These are the inspiration for me to design the products. They give the inspiration. To give you a background, yes, we've been doing a lot of pageants. We've done Femina Miss India last year, and Manushi Chillar, I think everybody knows, was created and groomed by her in the last stages, before becoming Miss World, of course, for Miss India. And we also do this pageant called Miss Eco International, which happens in Egypt, which is basically promoted by the United Nations. That's what we're doing for last 3 years. So a lot of experience on the pageants fronts also, but this year I'm especially very happy to be a part of Akhil's initiative here of Mrs. and Miss Bharat Icon. So without wasting much of your time, I think I will give you to this legends of makeup and enjoy the session and learn whatever you can in this given 45 minutes, Akhil? 1 hour.
Check yourselves out, people, and trust me, I was not, this is the selling trick, but this is just what I do. And there was someone, I have a witness, I do that in the car in just 2 seconds, and I'm all set. So go and win the world, ladies with stars. So can we please form groups of 8 on the tables? Self on all the international models across the world. So ma'am, I want you to give some advice also to them and speak a few words to them and give some advice to them that how they can look like a star 24/7.
Sure. Thank you so much, Simran. Good morning, girls. Good morning. It's nice to have you all here, and we've already heard from the doctor how to get rid of all your pigmentations and acne and tattoo. But it sometimes happens that they don't go off and they're right present on the day you don't want them to be. Okay, so we are here to help you with that. We would like to show you and share you some tips on which how can you handle your problems, because here I can see most of you having clearer skins, but still I know when you look in the mirror in the morning, everybody must be saying, I wish I didn't have this under eye. I wish I didn't have this pigmentation. And then how do I get rid of that? Today is the day. So then that's what we are going to help you with. You can ask your questions to your artist at that time and the problem will be solved. So instead of having a question and answer session, verbally talking, we'll show it to you, how it could be done. So maybe we could have a group of 4. And each artist will be there on your table and you could ask your questions for tomorrow and further again ahead in your life, because you're going to be having so many of such pageants ahead. And as you all know that makeup or beauty is not a luxury. Makeup is not a luxury anymore. It's a necessity. Every girl has it in her kit. So what minimum makeup is required to look good, to get that right confidence in you, because when you feel good, you look good. So that's what you're going to have some nice tips on how to look good with minimum makeup, because now today's trend is less is more. Are you all aware? It's not like the previous days where we used to have loads of mask of makeup on your face. It's going to be very natural, high definition makeup what you're going to see. Okay, so can we start? Yes. Okay, so
Yeah.
I want groups of
9
4.
people, yeah. 9 people in one group. Yes, sir.
क्लेंजिंग, टोनिंग, मॉइस्चराइजिंग आपको रोज ही करना है, आपको डॉक्टर ने बोला होगा। हम लोग रोज नहीं करते। बहुत घर पे काम भी रहेगा, kids is a major issue, so that we do not get time for all cleansing toning every day. But still, toning तो फिर भी छोड़ रहे हैं, हफ्ते 2 दिन नहीं करोगे, but your face has to be clean. Get rid of
ऐसा करना है सिर्फ जो स्पीकर है ना
the dust and dirt. There's pollution everywhere. Clean your face. Try your toner. If not a toner, you can have a dry skin. Water-based moisturizer is a must. Not a oil-based. Only if you have a very dry skin, oil-based moisturizer. Regular use के लिए combination skin normally क्या रहता है? T-zone oily रहता है और very dry skin. So 2 अलग skins आपके face में. तो यहाँ पे आपको toner लगाना है. यहाँ पे आपको because sometimes like pageant is still I feel you can retouch because you go inside, but in Bollywood sometimes for outdoor shoots they need to have a makeup which is very low class. So there is just a retouch of a powder in between. The base cannot be changed. Only the eye makeup is touched up and the तो सबसे पहले तो क्लेंजिंग टोनिंग मॉइस्चराइजिंग तो योर स्किन इज रेडी योर स्किन टाइप के हिसाब से ड्राई है तो डोंट यूज अ सोप देन अ फेस वॉश which does not dry your face but either
नॉर्मल जो कॉम्पैक्ट लगाएंगे उसके पहले भी नीड टू कवर फॉर एग्जांपल डार्क सर्कल्स है या पिगमेंट्स का जो भी है उसको छुपाना है तो हमें पहले प्रिपरेशन करना पड़ेगा. It's a 100% cake baked.
But compact is usually little powdery, right?
That's what.
So for dry skin, it's very
Too
dry.
much हाँ तो we have primer तो बचा. You have to use the primer before that. पहले प्राइमिंग इज वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट. कोई भी मेकअप करो चाहे आप माइक्रो फाउंडेशन भी लगाएंगे तो भी प्राइमिंग ज़रूरी है बिकॉज जब तक हमारी स्किन प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं है इट विल नॉट एबल टू एब्जॉर्ब द बेस. चाहे आप लिक्विड लगाओ कॉम्पैक्ट लगाओ स्टूडेंट की फोटो फिक्स लगाइए या फिर बेस लगाइए. जैसे प्रोफेशनल मेकअप में भी टू यूज बेस राइट. ये बेस थोड़ा हैवी मेकअप. अभी कल शायद आप लोग स्टेज पे होंगे तो बहुत सॉफ्ट मेकअप नहीं देंगे, एक क्लियर बिल्ड करेंगे तभी भी यूज़ करेंगे. बट एट द सेम टाइम अगर सोसाइटी में ऐसे ही हम चाहें तो वहाँ पे बहुत मेकअप की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो यू कैन यूज़ माइक्रो फाउंडेशन फॉर द इवनिंग टाइम, फोटो फिक्स फॉर द डे टाइम. इवनिंग में थोड़ा सा शेयर शाइन चाहिए. अब शेयर शाइन सबको अच्छा लगता है तो यू कैन यूज़ माइक्रो फाउंडेशन फॉर द शेयर शाइन. Got it? See, color cosmetic जैसे eyes, glass, वो choice पे होता है. For example, you might be liking light lips. She might be liking dark. I can see the change. आपके lips and आपके lips में. She might be happy with the brighter colors. तो that is the choice way है. But base एक बार base हम खुद का समझ गए तो आई शेडो को भी हमको ग्लैमरस देना कि we can take a nice thick eyeliner, मतलब thick eyelashes. Right? Lips हमें we can play with the colors. Basically what I want to explain, colors we can play with the colors. But base is very much important. इधर लिपस्टिक लाइट लगाइए डार्क लगाइए कोई मतलब नहीं, हमारी चॉइस पे है. बट बेस एक प्रॉपर बेस आ गया है यू कैन हाईलाइट द थिंग्स स्पेशली आउटफिट्स. We have different types of eye shades. These are the highlighters. Highlighters, highly pigmented. बहुत थोड़ा लगाएंगे, will get a very sheer shine. And the best one of my favorite things are the lip pops. लिप पॉप. अभी लिप पॉप क्या फ़र्क है? नॉर्मली जो लिक्विड लिपस्टिक आती है कभी आपने महसूस किया लिक्विड लिपस्टिक जब भी हम लगाते हैं तो थोड़ा सा ड्राई होता है, पील होती है लिप्स. गॉट इट? तो व्हाट वी डू सजेस्ट, कभी भी लिप पॉप डायरेक्ट नहीं लगाना है, थोड़ा सा पेंसिल का एक कोट दे देना है. तो सबसे पहले हमारे लिप्स पे क्या टच होने वाला है? वैक्स. पेंसिल वैक्स की बनती है. एक बार वैक्स का लेयर आ गया देन यू कैन, तभी वो पील नहीं होगी. इज द बेस्ट टेक्निक राइट. इधर अगर आपकी लिप बहुत ड्राई है तो लिप बाम लगा सकते हैं, चैपस्टिक लगा सकते हैं, सब
SPF, which will protect from skin, sunlight also.
No need of using sunscreen then, if you are using.
ये तो हमारे घर पे
Very good. Now before starting makeup, I'm giving a makeup. I'm showing you where quicker one. Concealing under eyes. So हमारे पास concealer है. For dark skin we have different colors. For fair skin we different colors. And for medium skin a different color concealers. Concealer is like you conceal only flaws. हमारे dark circles because this is derma. तो ऐसे फेविकॉल की तरह फिक्स हो जाता है.
Yes, I was also surprised. I just bought for this, so I was surprised. It is orange. I have, yeah. So it is a bit bright orange. Yes, but like, can you see? No. So generally they should have that. When I bought it, maybe now I am very scared. One side
I'm doing both sides.
No. You are just showing the difference.
Yeah, I'm just showing you after the concealer. It will be dark skin. Fair skin we have more of green, so we use green concealer. And then we in a medium skin we have yellow, so we use yellow. This is the reason.
Medium, what? Can you define my skin? This is. You are fair. Yeah, same.
No, he said, see, you can use yellow. You can use yellow.
Now it's okay, my dear.
Orange.
Don't apply anything on eyelid. Don't use the base. Only when you use the concealing, now use it from corner because this corner always black.
Yes.
जो sector skills है, beauty awareness का sector skills है, उसमें हमारा government council. So we have taken over that activity also. We are doing training of people among us.
स्किल डेवलपमेंट ना मेरी एक फ्रेंड कर रही है रेखा चौधरी.
तो रेखा चौधरी और JCR JC के आर वही ना JCR JC कपूर और रेखा चौधरी और JC के RC है but she basically doing brands different brands spa washi wali
So she's been telling me कि तू कर there's a lot of
अभी जाओ इस लोगों को ये प्रोडक्ट के बारे में इंट्रोड्यूस करो.
Because they are correct and a concealer in the same part. So you not just struggle to open 2-3 things. Just open 2 just here have a foundation on the eyes. If you want, you can feel the products also after I'm done with them.
Very nice.
I use for Indian beige. Indian beige is very good for mostly and if you want a little bit lighter, you can also buy one lighter shade. You can just put on a
Beige is right and Irish is उन्होंने जो किया है ना मैं बता दूँ क्योंकि
just a little bit of
Just use
So you can see I've just highlighted and not all yeah, because when you highlight here also it will not attach to the skin tone. So always start with the skin tone. You can highlight over this under the eye. Because you see that you have a lip on there. You have to just line up your lip. Yeah. Even highlight your nose also.
वो भी स्टार बनेगी है ना बेटा वेरी गुड अभी इधर ये वर्ड में तो आपकी बच्ची है अच्छा बेटा इधर मैं ये सब होता ही नहीं मुझे
I just
First we start with highlighter.
very clear skin.
White color. You have to blend because eyeshadow the blending is very important.
Complete coverage.
What makeup you blend?
As I told you, you would get
If you want to look more steady and more hard, then you can go smoky. Smoky again takes your age. It makes you look more harder than your age. What function you are going for.
Okay. According to lights and नहीं मेरा मीन्स मतलब ये था हमसे कि आप मेरे मिक्स जो सब लोग फोटोशूट हो जाए तो वी हैव फोटोशूट
अब ऐसे लगा इसमें आप लगेगा तो स्टडी है आई मेकअप वीडियो स्टडी है जब हम लाइक दिस व्हेन यू पुट लाइक दिस पुटिंग लाइक दिस शुड बी लाइक दिस सो इट्स स्टडी यू नो ये वहीं भी लगने वाला है अगर आप ऐसे ऐसे लगाने जाओगे तो नहीं लगेगा
तो फॉर द सिंपल रिएक्शन इज प्रिकॉशन इज बेटर देन क्या पहले मैंने पेज लगा दिया उसके बाद मैंने एरिया पाउडर डाल दिया व्हाट
and then other side
मैं ही अपने
inward
पैच कर देता हूँ
आप पूरा भी लगा सकते हो आधा भी लगा सकते हो
मिनिमम उसके बाद स्किन इम्पैक्ट हो जाएगी ये लगाने
ये आप अपना आई शेडो के अगर आपने आई बॉल एरिया पे लगा दिया ना
आई विल शो यू मैं सबका टोन बताऊंगा पहले एप्लीकेशन टेक्निक बता रहा हूँ फिर आपका टोन बताऊंगा आपका पहले प्रोडक्ट से पूछ लेते हैं एप्लीकेशन से पूछ लेते हैं फिर खुद का
make any problem in this time. No accident. You had one. When you take honey? After breakfast. This was common two things are there. One is ligament or bone problem. Takes nearly about 4 to 5 weeks. Move on properly. So it's better to just avoid putting a lot of weight. I can't ask you to just have a stick and then walk, or walker and probably you take some part in the events. So I just write out the medicine. They will get the medicine for it. It will come in strips. In Mumbai, they give you the full strip. They don't give you 1 tablet, 2 tablets.
But she can walk tomorrow for the next day. Looking she can
So that is okay. You see, as soon as you reach your destination, you can have X-ray or whatever you want.
प्राइमर मैंने आई में नहीं लगाया अंडर आई में बिकॉज यहाँ से ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट है यहाँ पे ज़्यादा प्राइमिंग के साथ बट आई कैन काउंट एनीथिंग ऑन द आईलिड बट
doesn't require a pigment. If I understand. See the way I'm applying इसको घुसिएगा नहीं.
Till tomorrow.
Oh, then you have नहीं तो मैं आप लोगों को एक 3 दिन का पर्सनल ग्रूमिंग का सेशन दे देता 2 दिन का
आपके पास आते हैं अब यहीं पे हो ना मुंबई पे
अच्छा लेकिन ये जो पोर्शन रहता है वो अंदर में क्या नहीं लेते वो आई शेडो में लेते हैं ये गलती आप करते हो ये जो यहाँ पे खड्डा रहता है ना यस हम लोग वो आई शेडो में लेते हैं कंसीलर में नहीं लेते हैं लेकिन वो कंसीलर में तभी आंखों में दिखावा कम्स आउट एज हाईलाइट समझ में आपको क्या अभी थोड़ा सा
आपके पास कितना टाइम
कंसीलर वाइट नहीं दिखना चाहिए अगर आपका कंसीलर वाइट दिख रहा है तो आपका नीचे का वो ग्रेइश अंदर से थोड़ी देर के बाद बाहर
इवन टोन कर रही है
This has to be said like this. अच्छे से पता चलता है
The best brand is when you
जितना अंदर है बढ़ता है ऑरेंज बढ़ाइए जितना प्रॉब्लम्स बढ़ता है ऑरेंज को बढ़ाइए पेशेंट दो इसके बीच में मेकअप वाले रहेंगे लेकिन कभी कभी आपको हमारे पास आने का टाइम ही नहीं मिलता है एक स्टेज के बाद you don't get to see the girls in between. भागा दौड़ी ज़्यादा है
Fashion, so I am doing this from the beginning. For her, I am not done for a beginning. I am done for Rajasthan.
can you highlight my can you highlight
Yeah.
I don't know the tics actually
I think that I'm doing from the beginning.
उसका क्या
From the beginning, the Aisha eyebrows. For her, I am not done from here. I am doing halfway.
so what is the difference
It's a fashion.
I'm going to do here
Anything.
anything
So makeup is something like connected to your natural. So we just highlighting that area for natural. We use like a fashion. So we are taking from the middle.
Like the glamour, like the
so I need to highlight actually I don't know the tics you are looking very nice and pretty
very woman.
yeah
Those kind of faces look awesome with makeup.
Saved your time. You know, this is a modeling thing. It's required.
She's quite good, but everyone is
Hello.
shoulders, neck, back. Compulsory.
एक बार आपने ये फिक्स कर दिया
स्टार्ट हो गए स्टार्ट आगे झुक के हमारी थोड़ा देखो अरे देखो देखो देखो
साइड लॉक्स, हाँ साइड लॉक्स को अवॉइड करना है, या तो फिर उसको जस्ट क्लीन
तभी आपने मेकअप कैसे लगाना है और कंसीलर अगर आप यूज़ कर रहे हो तो उसको पहले ऊपर की तरफ नीचे
अगर आपने ऐसा किया
बट मुझे बेस सेट करना था तो मैंने 30% थोड़ा सा चिटिंग करना, 30% तो लगाई थी, कुछ भी डिस्कलरेशन नहीं है फिर भी, बस मुझे ये बैलेंस है कि इसका मेकअप अभी जो मैं करूँ तो 5-6 घंटे तक थोड़ा सा अच्छा मेकअप स्वाइप ऑफ ना हो या मेरे मेकअप में
लेकिन आपका है ही चिक हाई चिक है ना, हाई चिक देगा थोड़ा
See, this foundation is making the skin look fresher. Liquid, no?
ये वाला ले लो आप भी,
Will
It's very
well
nice.
with your skin.
इट्स वेरी गुड। मैडम आप उसके ऊपर कौन सा आप
This is
करते हैं
that
ना,
5-minute makeup. Yeah, I will
बाद
tell
में
you.
बोल दीजिए। शी विल आल्सो माय क्लास।
It's okay, not a problem. See, you are हमारे बाथरूम के अंदर कुछ भी कर रिपोर्ट देने वाला है, राइट, जस्ट मेल्ट इट डायरेक्ट, ये ऐसा लेके ऐसे नहीं लगाना है, ये लिया मेल्ट इट।
आप जब घूमते हो अन्य
अभी देखा मैंने क्या
I love lipstick. I'm crazy for lipstick. I live my life. You maybe having lipstick collection. Yeah, big time. I just pick up. Because I don't do anything else. I just put kajal and lipstick. I tend to just do that. अभी यहाँ की तरह I'm putting the makeup.
That's your face.
मुझे इतना पता होना चाहिए मेरा फेस लॉन्ग या ब्राउन।
enjoying makeup, star makeup. Yes.
Broad है, yours is also long, but your problem is not long. Mine is
Studio Fix.
You come here, right? You can always create that playful with the word. थोड़ा सा उसको moisturizer
चेहरा कैसा ऐसे करके ये कर लेते हैं करेंगे स्टाइलिंग
भले थोड़ा लिप्स पे आए चलेगा, किसी को लिपस्टिक लगाने वाले हैं, थोड़ा सा Not more. Now into the lips.
This doesn't give a black color at all.
Always first outline, then the
Even every day.
why it doesn't spill.
If you're doing
It's got everything. It just blends with the personal concern.
or black
Must have.
I'm using first time this, so immediately वो blend करना पड़ेगा हमें,
ये आप क्या करोगे?
क्योंकि dark हो रहा है,
Exam बहुत ज़्यादा
है ना? हाँ इसलिए वही
See, I'm going
Thank you very much, Stars Cosmetics. It's always a pleasure. We love to look like a star. Thank you for making us look super gorgeous. Bye. Once again, thank you very much, Dr. Vishesh Nayak.
Thank you so much.
Truly an honor to have your humble presence. Thank you very much, Mrs. Nayak. Rupashri ma'am, बहुत शुक्रिया. जयवंत जी, शुक्रिया. संजय जी, मीरा जी, thank you very much. And आप लोग अपने फोटोज कीजिए. Well, ladies, there's something.